Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today we are going to present our assignment 1, New Electric Vehicle Design under subject BMKA 4233, Vehicle Suspension System. We are from Group 1, Section 4 BMKA, Section 1/2. Our lecturer is TS Muhammad Zakaria bin Muhammad Nasir. So, meet our TJRAE Senior Berhati. We have Yusoff Ali, NORHAIZAD Rukiman, Muhammad KHAIRUDDIN bin ZAHARUDDIN, Muhammad ALIFF bin ABDUL, and HASSANAH BINTI KHAIRUNSAM. So, for the TJRAE, which is Automotive Engineering Company Profile. For the TJRAE, specialized in high performance suspension system, offering innovative solutions that enhance vehicle handling, stability, and comfort. With a strong focus on precision engineering, TJRAE design and customize advanced suspension system for motorsport vehicles and high performance road cars. The company leverages lightweight material and cutting-edge technology to deliver durable, efficient, and adaptive suspension system tailored to the meet modern performance demand. Collaborating with the racing teams and investing heavily in research and development, TJRAE is committed to leading the industry with innovative, reliable, and high-quality suspension solutions that prioritize safety and performance. So, for our mission in our company, the number 1 is becoming a center that can supply the produce high-quality product that can be a reference to the regional automotive industry. Number 2, to be a company that can create vehicle components carefully to ensure that the work can be carried out successfully without any defect or small mistake. The last one is TJRAE wants to be a company that can carry out business according to business management ethics based on the Islamic economy. So, for our vision, the number 1 is a competitive company, a business company that supply high quality car spare parts as well as establish a name internationally through a strong and well-established team alliance. The last one in our vision is management company based on the Islamic economic system and set the highest standard in marketing communication to achieve integrated success. So, here this is our organization chart. For the CEO is TS Muhammad Zakaria bin Muhammad Nasir. For project manager Muhammad KHAIRUDDIN bin ZAHARUDDIN. For assistant manager HASSANAH binti KHAIRUNSAM. For technical engineer Muhammad Yusoff bin Ali. For design engineer Muhammad ALIFF bin Abdul Hamid. And the last one for the R&D engineer is Muhammad NORHAIZAD bin Rukiman.
We present about the topic which is literature review. So the first journal that we found is Integrated Control Scheme for 4-Wheel Independent Drive Electric Vehicles 2024. In this journal, we found that coordinated active suspension system and anti-lock braking systems. Number 2 is advanced control strategies, each infinite controller for suspension to reduce the transfer, and then neural network sliding mode control for braking to stabilize tire slip. And for the result of this journal is enhanced ride comfort, which is reduced pitch and vertical accelerations, and then improved braking, which is brake time reduced by 15.3% and brake distance reduced. For the limitations of this journal, lack of real-world testing on diverse terrain, and then energy efficiency not fully addressed. So, number 2 is the optimized suspension designed for competitive EVs through FEA and CAD 2021. In this journal, it used TEC 21 educational model and education 4.0 for an optimized suspension system. There are 2 methods included, which is CAD modeling, finite element analysis, FEA, and CNC machining for prototyping. And then the journal make a physical testing to validate performance during braking, cornering, and acceleration. For the result for this journal is improved handling and safety in competitive scenarios. Number 2 is students gain expertise in engineering tools such as dynamic modeling, FEA, CAD. And for the limitation for this journal is sustainability, which is energy efficiency not explored, and then limited testing on varied terrain. So the third journal that we found is the Robust Optimal Control Addressing Suspension Uncertainties 2021. For this journal explains about combined linear quadratic regulator and integral sliding mode control. Number 2 is addresses uncertainties like parameter variations and external disturbance. Number 3 is validated with simulation using CarSim and MATLAB or Simulink. For the result that we found in this journal is reduced suspension working space and vertical accelerations. Number 2 is enhanced stability and comfort on varying road surface. For the limitation for this journal is energy efficiency not considered. And number 2 is no real-world testing conducted.
Next, I will explain about our task overview. Firstly, vehicle comparison, which is the car type. For segment A, our choice is BYD Dolphin, segment B, Neta V, and segment C, Nissan Leaf. Okay. Next, I will explain about the vehicle comparison for front and rear suspension. Okay, firstly, BYD Dolphin. For BYD Dolphin, for front suspension, it use McPherson, which is McPherson can give simple, lightweight, and precise steering for urban driving. And then for rear, multi-link for independent wheel movement for enhanced handling and comfort. Next, segment B, Neta V. For front, it use McPherson for reliable and cost-effective. And for the rear suspension, use trailing arm. It is for durable and affordable but less refined compared to multi-link. And lastly, for Nissan Leaf, for front, it use McPherson for balance, performance, and comfort, while for rear suspension, it use torsion beam. It is for lightweight, compact, improved energy efficiency but less advanced. Next, as we can see, the vehicle comparison for tire size. BYD Dolphin use 200/50 R17. It gives wide tires for better grip and stability, low profile for handling precision. Next, for segment B, Neta V, it is use 185/55 R16. It gives narrower tires, reduce rolling resistance, enhance energy efficiency. And lastly, for Nissan Leaf, it is use 215/50 R17. It will give wider tires for excellent grip, and then modern look, and lastly, refined performance. Okay, lastly, I will explain about vehicle comparison summary. First, the BYD Dolphin offers the best balance of handling, comfort, and stability with a McPherson front and multi-link rear suspension. Number 2, the Neta V prioritizes affordability with simpler suspension and energy-efficient tires. And lastly, for Nissan Leaf, emphasize energy efficiency and practicality but sacrifice advanced suspension comfort.
For the discussion, we are asked to suggest new type of advanced suspension to improve our case study, which gives more insight to vehicle manufacturer. Our team chose the case study of electric vehicle for urban city given here, UTEM campus. Here the diagram shown the principle of MR, which is magnetorological fluid based damper, which is a semi-active suspension system, which is semi-active suspension system for our electrical vehicle. Why? Because one, it is suitable for urban electrical vehicles, which is provide optimal balance of comfort, performance, and energy efficiency, adaptable to varying road conditions, frequent stops, speed bumps, and uneven surfaces. Real-time adjustability, which is damping force changes instantly based on road and driving conditions. It also energy efficiency because this semi-active system consumes only small electrical currents for controlling the magnetic field in MR dampers, reducing energy usage compared to active system. And it also saves energy while ensuring excellent performance. Next, it's also impact on safety and maintenance, which is adjustable suspension stiffness, minimize unnecessary body movement, enhancing vehicle stability and safety. Next, here are some example of functionality and impact using this semi-active suspension system. As for the crossing a speed bump, first the sensors detect the bump and send a signal to the ECU. Then the ECU increases damping force in the MR dampers to make the suspension stiffer, preventing excessive movement and keeping the vehicle stable. After crossing the bump, the ECU returns the suspension to soft mode for a smoother ride. Its impact: battery energy efficiency, lower maintenance costs, and increased vehicle lives. The MR dampers provide a comfortable, efficient, and cost-effective ride, ideal for electrical vehicles. This is the comparison between conventional suspension system and semi-active suspension system. You can pause and read it. There's a lot of it. To summarize, why we choose semi-active suspension system? Because the conventional suspension system is simpler and cheaper but lacks adaptability and compromises comfort, handling, and efficiency in different road conditions. While the semi-active suspension system, which is MR dampers especially, offers real-time adaptability, superior ride quality, and better performance, making it an excellent choice for modern urban EVs and advanced applications. However, it comes with slightly high initial cost and complexity, which are offset by its long-term benefits.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yusuf and I will explain for the last part of our presentation, which is conclusion. So in this research and also the comparison between the electrical vehicle suspension system is provide important information on their construction and also operation. This is because multi-link usage rear suspension and also McPherson in the front suspension, which is more balanced, more comfort, improves the stability and also energy efficiency, such as the BYD Dolphin is performed better than any other vehicle under the analysis. Despite being successful in their respective market, the Nissan Leaf and also the Neta, we have a more simpler and more affordable suspension system that put the affordability and also usefulness first instead of performance. So for the next part is about the semi-active suspension system. Its potential system are the best option for urban electric vehicles that highlighted by the discussion of this system, especially those that use magnetohalogical MR dampers. These technologies are excellent at delivering improved handling and also a pleasant ride while preserving energy efficiency. Why? Two important factors for the long-term viability of the electric car itself. So over time, this MR damper capacity to adjust and to different the road conditions guarantees increased safety, less wear on the car parts, and also cheaper maintenance expense. So as part of the overall for this assignment, it's emphasized how crucial it is to incorporate the cutting-edge suspension technologies into contemporary electric vehicle in order to strike a balance between performance, comfort, environment sustainability, and it's also expanding the real-world testing, improving energy efficiency, and also investigating the novel materials to further improve suspension system performance should be the main goal of future advancement in this area. So that's all from me. Thank you.